This is numbers 18 through 20 on the study guide. So what we're looking at here is I see a diameter and a perpendicular. We learned that if we have a diameter that is perpendicular to a chord, that not only does it bisect the chord, making two congruent parts, but it also, bisects the chord to make two congruent parts, but it also bisects the arc. So if this is 40 degrees, then this is 40 degrees. So then we're supposed to find the measure of the arc PQR, which is a little unusual because it's a minor arc actually, but they're just trying to show us we're going from P to Q to R here. And so if this is 40 and this is 40, that means our total amount is 80 degrees. 40 plus 40 is 80. On this one here, we're supposed to find from KLM, the measure of arc KLM. Now, notice that KLM, here it is, this arc has endpoints on K and M, which also happen to be the endpoints on this inscribed angle where the vertex is on the circle. So if this is 90 degrees, remember it's arc here. If we take the arc and divide it by 2, it equals that angle. So if this is 90, then that makes this 180 degrees, because remember, if you take the arc 180, divide it by 2, it's going to equal that inscribed angle. On number 20 here, again, notice I have a diameter and it's perpendicular to a chord, which means that it will actually bisect the chord, making those two congruent parts, and bisect the arc. And so what we're looking at here is if these two parts are congruent, then that must mean that 9x minus 3 is going to equal 7x plus 5. So if I subtract 7x from both sides, I get 2x minus 3 equals 5. If I add 3 to both sides, 2x is equal to 8. If I divide both sides by 2, x is going to equal 4, which is what my goal was, to identify what x was.